I'm here too.
Yeah, we're driving into the car, if you haven't noticed, but there he is, so I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, here he is. Yeah, look at, I'm kind of flailing around right now, but, yeah, there he is. Yay! He's a ballerina cappuccina. Oh yeah, and he is one of the guys, he's not a Constructicon, but he's kind of like one, because he turns into a big robot if we get all of them.
A combiner?
Yeah, he's a combiner. This one guy is a piece of his thigh. How big is this guy gonna be? This one guy is a piece of this big guy's thigh.
Oh yeah.
It's a piece of this big guy's thigh. The guy we just got is a piece of this big guy's thigh. But there he is. We're gonna get his sack of weapon out. Oh, whoa!
You're showing.
These things go in the back. Yep, there he is. The phone kind of shaking, but look at it. Show you his face. Let's get to articulation. So this happens here, and then that turns, and then bicep rotation, 360, elbow, hands. Oh yeah, this goes in. So then head is a 360. Legs go forward and out. Waist. Yeah. Waist rotation 360. Knee. Foot. Ankle. Good. Whoa! Whoa, that's deep. That's like deepest. Look at this ankle tilt.
Oh my god. Yes! Deep ankle tilt.
Yes.
Favorite.
Alright, we're gonna try to transform him in the car.
You can do it. He's gonna be the first transformer at the new house.
True. Oh yeah, we're moving. We'll probably make a video about moving. First, that you connect the legs together, and then the arms out, and under, like that. I'm gonna guess. Oh, looks like that goes. Like something happens with the leg here. Okay, well, there we go. There we go. Alright. No, but these legs aren't right.
Very close.
Okay, well, this is good enough. This is all we need to do. But there it is.
Oh.
Articulation. Wings. That was air raid. And buy from 2/1 dude. One kid. I don't know how to call it, but buy from 2 dudes channel.
Bye bye.